morning, everyone, and welcome to the New York Times Medium Sudoku. This is Friday, September 1, 2023. 6, 7, 10, 12, 16, 19, 20. Okay, I have 24 digits, but they all seem to be spread out a little bit now. Are there any digits I can write in at the start? This 6 and this 6 will force a 6 in the middle of box 4, but it can't go here because of that 6, so that has to be a 6. And then that 6 and that 6 will force a 6 in one of these two spots. Five and 5 and that 5 will force a 5 in one of these two. In box number 3. This one, and that one combined to force a 1 right there. In box 5. That will force a 1 somewhere in the middle, but we don't know yet exactly where. This 9 and this 9 make that 9 a giveaway. That simply can't go anywhere else, along with this 9 and this 9 will force a 9 in one of the... Actually, it forces it right there, doesn't it? In box 1, because it can't go anywhere else. Okay. Let's see, this 6 and this 6 will force a 6 down here someplace. Eight has to be in one of these two. Combining that 8 and that 8. 8, 9, 2, 5, 6, 4. Okay, I put my 9s in, I put my 8s in, but 6, 2, 5, 4 I only have one of. In the middle third of the grid, let's see, 5, this 5 and this 5, puts 5 in one of these two. Six, 3, 1, 4. Okay, 6 I just put in. 3 I don't have enough information. 1 I just put in. 4 I do have enough information. This 4 and that 4 combined to put a 4 in one of these two, but I don't know which. I can't rule one of them out yet. Let's see, 5, 1, 6. I already did my 5s and my 1s. And my 6s, and then 1, 9, 4. I just did my 4s. I don't have enough information on 9s. In the top third of the grid, 2, 6, 5, 1, 4, 9, 7. Yeah, I've only got 6s to play with. I can't do much else beyond that, can I? Okay, if I look by columns, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 7, 5, 1, 8. 2, I don't have enough. 6, I just placed. 9, I just placed. 7, I don't have enough. 1, I don't have enough by looking at the left 3 columns. And 8, I don't have enough information. In the middle of the grid, 6, 5, 1, 3, 4, 9. Well, 6, I do have enough information, actually. This 6 and this 6, along with that 6, will force a 6 in one of these two spots. Five, I don't have enough information. 1, I just put in. 3, I don't have enough. 6, I just did. 4, I don't have enough 9. I don't have enough by columns. In the right third of the grid, I've got 4, 1, 5, 2, 9, 8. But I have 4s. I put in 5s. I don't have enough information on 1s or 2s or 8s, and I only just got a 9. Well, yeah, I'm looking at, did I put in... Yeah, I was like, did I put in the right digits? I think I did. Yeah, I was hoping to get more than 4 givens out of this immediately, but I hate filling in grid candidates this early, but why do I have a gut feeling I may have to do that? Because do I have anything at all with even 5 digits? I don't think so. I have a lot of things with 4, but they're all going to have to interact with each other. Let's see. These cannot be 2, 6, 7, or 9. So they start with 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. Now these can't be 5. These can't be 1. That's not 5. Well, actually, this one can't be 1, 3, 4, or 8. Let's see. This one cannot be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 9, actually. So that is 2 or 8 explicitly. This one is not 5, 6, 8 2 different ways, and 9 3 different ways. I think I missed a possibility here. There's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 9. Yeah, this could actually be 7. Okay, this one is not 4, 5, 6, 8, or 9. Well, this is irritating. Yeah. Wait a minute, these are not 4. These aren't 4. And this one can't be 1. Okay. So that's a 3, 8 pair, and that's what I needed to see, because now nothing else in this box can be 3 or 8. So this can't be 3 or 8. These are going to reduce to 1, 4. And now this can't be 3, 4, or 8 because of embedded pairs. That's a 5. I meant to highlight that 5. Okay. Now, this 5 and this 5 and this 5 will force that to be a 5. Okay, I've got 1, 4 in this column also, so this is not 1 or 4. That's not 1. Well, that forces that to be an 8. doesn't actually. That still could be an 8. So I can't say definitively that that is 8. I don't know which of these is 2 either. But 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. These are 2, 7, 9. These 3 in row 2. That's not 9. That can't be 9, so that is 9. These are now a 2, 7 pair. That is not resolved. Oh, well, actually, this 5 tells me that's not 5, which tells me that is a 5. That means 6 is now definitely in one of these 2. Oh, wait a minute. I said 8 was in one of these 2. Did I have this wrong? I think I meant to put 8 in one of these 2. Obviously, neither of these can be an 8. Duh. Okay. In column 8, I've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 8 placed. What I need is 3, 6, 7, 9. Now, this one can't be 7 or 9, so that is just 3 or 6. This one can't be 6. Can't be 6 or 9, so that's down to 3 or 7. This one can't be 6, but could be any of the others. This one can't be 9, but you guessed it, could be any of the others. Well, that's annoying that this is 3, 6 and this is 3, 7. Let's see, column 9 doesn't have a whole lot in it. 2, 4, 5, 8, 9 placed. So I need 1, 3, 6, and 7, actually. This can still be anything. As can that. And surprisingly, that one. Well, that did not help me a whole lot now, did it? But actually, this 9 and this 9 will force that to be 9. Okay, that gives me 4 digits in both box 6 and row 5. And actually, this 9 and this 9 will force a 9 to be in the top of row 4, except it can't go here because of that, so that's a 9. Which, by my pencil marking, makes that 5. This 5 and this 5 now force a 5 in the bottom of box 8, but that can't be 5 and that can't be 5, so that's a 5. Which makes that 6. Because it can't be anything else. according to my pencil marking. So that's 6. Roll these out from being 6. That puts 6 down here. I don't know anything about 1s in box 8 yet. But I do know an awful lot of information about box 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I need 2, 7, and 8 to fill out the rest. But I have nothing useful about any of these digits. I may as well. Well, this is 2, 7, or 8, 2. Well, this can't be 2 or 8, so that's a 7. Which makes that not 7. This is 2 or 8. And this is the other 2 or 8. But I don't know anything else. Let's see, 1, 5, 6, 7, 9 says I need 2, 3, 7, and 8. But this can't be 2, 7, or 8. That's a 3. I need 2, 3, 7, 8 to fill the rest of these in box 4, but that has to be a 3, which by definition. Wait, that's still 3? No, I don't think that can be a 3, necessarily. I haven't proved that. I made that 7, so I need 2, 4, yeah, I need 2, 3, 4, and 7. No, 2, 3, 4, 8. In some fashion. This can't be 2 or 8, so this is 3 or 4. That's what I wanted to do. I can't prove that that's a 3 yet. This one, unfortunately, can still be any of 2, 3, 4, or 8. But that one, because it can't be 2 or 8, that's the other 3, 4. I think my brain may have thought ahead of me, because that now can't be 3 or 4 because of that 3, 4 pair. So that's ruled out from being a 4. And it can't be 3 or 4 by pair logic, so that has to be a 4 because that 4, 3, I feel a little better about that now. Okay, this digit has to be 1 because it can't be anything else, and that finishes out the column. Now, that finally says that's not 1. Which says one of these is a 1. This one and this one don't tell me anything I don't already know from that. Let's see. This box, 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, so I need 2, 3, 7 along with 4. Now, neither of these can be 7. So 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7 has to be in one of these two. That one could still be 2, 3, or 4, but that can't be 2, so that is 3 or 4 explicitly. definitely in one of these. But beyond that, we don't know much else, do we? Let's see, what else can we do here? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. These are still going to be 2, 7, and 8. I don't know a thing about any of those digits, which is somewhat irritating. I've got 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 2, 7, 8, and 6 left to fill in. But that can be anything, and so can that. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 says these have to be 2, 3, 7, 8. In some fashion. Let's see. One of these is a 3, but 2, 3, 7, 8 is still possible. Let's see. 3, 8 there, which I still haven't fixed. That can't be 3. Let's look again. That's a 4. That's a 4, so that one of these is a 4. We know that. I hate filling out the rest of the grid, but 1, 2, 6, 5, 9 are already placed. In these 3 highlighted cells, I don't get any help from box 8 because there's already a 5 and a 6 and another 9. So 3, 4, 7, 8. All I know is that's not 3 or 4. That still could be, and that still could be. Well, this is irritating. Let's see, 1, 5, 6, 9, 7. So this is down to 2, 3, 4, 8. This one can't be 3 or 4, so that's 2 or 8. 1, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So that is 2 or 8. This one you take out 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. So this is still 2, 3, 4, or 8. Now these ones are not 1, 2, 5, or 6. Well, actually, oh yeah, that 9 blocks these out. This 9 blocks these out. So this 9 takes these out. This 9 takes this out. That means 9's down to one of these two, but this 9 tells me that's not 9, so actually I know immediately that's a 9. I don't have to look at anything else. Annoyingly, that can still be a 7. This is not. One, 5, 6, 9. 1, 5, 6, 9, two different ways, along with 2. So that's 3, 4, 7, or 8. It's annoying. I don't know anything about where 4 goes. I wish I knew something about where 1 was. Up there, and then I'd be able to know a little bit better. I hate these offset 2, 8. Paragon box 4 also. Because that's not easy to discern which is where. Let's see. Down here, they cannot be 4, 5, 8, or 9. So they start with 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Oh, 6 comes out because of the box. Now, this is not 1. That's not 3. Let's see, this one. Cannot be 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, or 9. One, 2, or 7, is that right? Okay, how do I get there from here? I don't know. Okay, this one is not 4, 5, 7, or 9. But it still has way too many other possibilities. This one is not 2, 4, 5, 6, or 9. That's down to 1, 3, 7, or 8. This one can't be 2, 4, 5, 6, or 9, so that's the other 1, 3, 7, or 8. Well, and now we've done it. The whole grid's filled. I have lots of offset pairs galore. these are good where they are, right? Let's see, this can't be 1. Yeah, these can't be 1. Annoyingly, that can still be a 1. Darn it. Three ones, 3 threes. 3 4s is way too many 7s and 8s. Up there. Just go in there. Two, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, these are right. Here, nothing else is 1. Here, nothing else is 7. Here, nothing else is 4. That's a 2, 7, 8 triple, which I can't resolve at all. No matter how hard I try. Can't do anything there. Golly. Okay, I'm not sure why I can't resolve it from here. But this is embarrassing. As annoying as that can still be 2. Gosh darn it. I mean, what? I do not understand what I managed to miss to get to this point. One of these 3, one of these is 6. I can't figure it out. I mean, if I look at the top third of the grid, 5 I placed, 6 I know where it goes. 2, 5, 6, 9, 7. 2 I don't have enough information on. 5 I just placed, 6 I know enough. 9 I placed all 3, 7 I just don't know enough. The middle third of the grid, 7, 6, 5, 3, 9, 1, 4. 7 I don't know enough. 6 I do. 5 I have them all. 3 I just placed. 9 I have them all. 1 I have all 3. And 4 I have all 3. Bottom third of the grid, I have all my 9s. 1, 6, 9, 2, 5. 6 I know enough of. 9 I just did. 1 I just don't have enough of, period. Oh. It's annoying. This 8 and this 8. 8 to be up here someplace. Right? Okay, I've got these corner 8s and that also being an 8, so something's wrong there. How did I get to a conclusion that these two were the only possible 8s? Yeah, I don't know enough about 8s. There, I just don't. These can't be 4 and that can't be 4. Now, these are the only two possible 4s there. Okay, maybe that was what I was missing, because I think I mismarked something. If these two 4s are the only 4s in row 7, then that can't be 4, and that has to be 3, which makes that 4. Okay, now we're getting somewhere, I think. That may have been what I was missing for the longest time. That 3 tells me that's an 8. That 8 tells me that... that's a 3. Uh, 8 tells me that's a 2, and for some reason... Until I place this 8, I couldn't place that 2, but that 2 tells me that's an 8. Let's see, 1, 4. Oh, 3. So these aren't 3. These are 2, 7, and I can get rid of the corner marking. Now. Actually, that does tell me something, doesn't it? These digits placed now tell me 3 has to be in one of these two. So nothing else can be 3, which... annoyingly... yeah, this can still be 1, that can still be 1, that can still be 1. That is annoying, I think. I still haven't done anything with that. But this 8 will tell me that's a 2 to finish out the row, and that's going to go a long way towards unwinding some of the rest of the grid, because that's 7, which tells me that's 2. That 2 tells me that's an 8. That 8 tells me nothing else can be an 8. I've now put 7 there because it can't go anywhere else. These aren't 2. 3, 4, looking at that, which now can't be 4. That's a 1, so that's a 4. 3, 4, looking at this. That's now a 6. So that's not 6. Can't be 3 or 6. Yeah, whoops. That can't be 3 or 6. Or 8. Or indeed 1. That is a 2. That's now forced, isn't it? Okay, this one's 7. Tells me that's a 3. That's now not 1 or 3. No, that's not 3 or 7. That's going to be 1 or 8. And that's 1 or 8. Which, of course, doesn't tell me a whole lot. But 2 here says that's not 2 and it can't be 7, so that's an 8. This is now not 2 or 7. 8 or 7. That is a 2. That's 7 to complete that box. Okay, these are going to end up as 6, 8, aren't they? Now that eliminates... These are not 2, because I just placed it. And they can't be 8. Because of that pair I just made. These are 3, 7, but the 7 tells me that order. Let's see, this can't be 3 or 7. That's a 1. By pencil marking, that's a 3. One. That's going to unwind the rest of the grid. 8, 1. This 8 comes back here. 6, 8. Let's see, that has to be 6. For the column, that has to be 7 to fill that one out. This is rather embarrassing, and I'm sorry if you managed to stick with me this long. But on the other hand, if you did stick with me this long, I'm proud of you for sticking with me this long. Anyway, this 8 says that's not 8. And it can't be 7 either. That's the other 3, 4, but we knew that. Okay, that's not 7. 8 will tell me that's 7. Yeah, these aren't 7. These are 1 and 2, and I know the order. 2, 1. 2 will tell me 7. 2. That has to be 3, I think. 3, 4, 3, 4, 8. Yeah. Hopefully the next medium goes a lot better, but at least I finished it. It may have been they were scattered all over the grid, and that's what threw me off for a while, and or I don't scan the grid very well, but thank you for joining me today.